Hello, my friends. Mr. Stowe's back. Look a little different because I'm on my camera today. I'm on my phone, sorry, because my laptop wasn't working. So we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it works, but I'm back for another story and involving another wolf. We have another story involving a wolf, and my cover fell off. But you can see, you can see by this, it's called The Wolf, the Duck, and the Mouse. So you can see all three of them. Sorry, I got a little problem there. The Wolf, the Duck, and the Mouse. And this is by Mark Barnett and John Klassen. John Klassen illustrates lots of great books that we like. The Wolf, the Duck, and the Mouse. Early one morning, a mouse met a wolf. What do you think is going to happen? And he was quickly gobbled up. He ate him. You knew that was going to happen, didn't you? "Oh, whoa," said the mouse. "Oh, me! Here I am, caught in the belly of the beast. I fear this is the end." "Be quiet," someone shouted. "I'm trying to sleep." The mouse shrieked, "Who's there?" So you see where he is, right in the tummy of that wolf. But he heard a voice. A light was lit. A duck lay in bed. "Well?" said the duck. "Oh," said the mouse. "Is that all?" asked the duck. "It's the middle of the night." The mouse looked around. "Well, out there it's morning." "It is?" said the duck. "It's so hard to tell. I do wish this belly had a window or two. In any case, would you like some breakfast?" So there's Duck. Duck and a mouse. So Duck's got a bed in there. The meal was delicious. "Where did you get jam?" the mouse asked. "And a tablecloth." The duck munched a crust. "You'd be surprised what you find inside of a wolf." "It's nice," said the mouse. "It's home," said the duck. "You live here?" "I live well. I may have been swallowed, but I have no intention of being eaten." So he just got swallowed whole. He didn't even get chewed up. Pretty nice. For lunch, they made soup. The mouse cleared his throat. "Do you miss the outside?" "I do not," said the duck. Wow, look at that. Looks like a real kitchen, doesn't it? A couple of chefs there. Does not miss the outside. "When I was outside, I was afraid every day wolves would swallow me up. In here, that's no worry." There's a picture of Duck remembering when he was afraid walking in the woods, afraid of what's lurking in the woods, of a wolf getting ready to gobble him up. The duck had a point. "Can I stay?" said the mouse. The mouse asked. "Of course," the duck said. This called for a dance. Whoa. They are playing some records and dancing. Wonder what kind of records they're playing. Pretty awesome. The ruckus inside made the wolf's stomach ache. "Oh, woe," said the wolf. "Oh, shame. Never have I felt such aching and pain. Surely it must have been something I ate." There he is. Well, that dancing is not making him feel very good. The duck shouted up, "I have a cure." "You do?" asked the wolf. "Yes, an old remedy sure to settle your tummy." He tells him he's going to make him feel better. "Eat a hunk of good cheese and a flagon of wine and some beeswax candles." Cheese and wine and candles? What? Think that's going to make his tummy feel better? Look at the cheese and the wine and the candles. It was for Duck and Mouse. That night they feasted. The duck made a toast to the health of the wolf. They're living pretty good in the belly of that wolf, aren't they? But the wolf felt worse. "I feel like I'll burst. It hurts just to move." A hunter heard the wolf moaning. So there's Wolf not feeling good. And here's the hunter who hears him moaning. Uh-oh. He fired a shot, but missed in the dark. Whoa, there's the hunter shooting at the poor wolf, but he missed him. The duck called up, "Run! Run for our lives!" Oh, look at them getting bounced around down there. The wolf tried to escape, but he tripped and got trapped in an old oak tree's roots. Uh-oh. Is this the end? Is that it for the wolf and the duck and the mouse, do you think? That would not be a very good ending to our story. "Oh, woe," said the duck. "Oh, doom. What can we do? I fear this is the end." The mouse stood up. "We must fight. We must try. Tonight we ride to defend our home." What's he holding? Looks like a hockey stick. And what's he got on his head? A pot from the kitchen? Wow, they're going to go defend themselves. Charge! Right out of the wolf. Whoa. What do you think the hunter is going to feel or think about that? "Oh, woe," said the hunter. "Oh, death, these woods are full of evil and wraith." He fled from the forest and never returned. That's a pretty strange sight to see, right? But now what? The wolf bowed down to the duck and the mouse. "You saved my life when I thought not to spare yours. Ask a favor of me. I will be glad to grant it." He's going to let them ask for a favor. What favor do you think Duck and Mouse will ask for? Any favor. What would you ask for? What would you ask of the wolf? Well, maybe you can guess what they asked for. Are you ready? You know where they are? Back in the belly of the wolf. Now, why do you think they asked to go back into the belly of the wolf? And that's why the wolf howls at the moon. "Oh, whoa, oh, whoa." Every night he howls at the moon. "Oh, whoa." Can you howl? Good howl. Right? Why is he howling? Think about it. Think about what's going on in that tummy of his. Remember. Oh, it's always howling at the moon. And that is the wolf, the duck, and the mouse. What a great story. Hope you enjoyed it. Happy Thursday. I will see you next time for our next story. Talk to you later. Be kind. Be good.